You've worked hard for your home and all the things inside it. That's why it's important to have the right amount and type of personal property insurance coverage. Think of your belongings, their value, and where they'll be to help you decide types and coverage limits you might want to consider. It's important to make sure you think this through, as personal property coverages ensure you'll have the funds to repair or replace your possessions should they be damaged by things like fire, smoke, lightning, and theft. So how much personal property coverage should you have? For starters, you'll want to determine a personal property coverage amount by creating a home inventory to track all of your belongings and their value. Keep in mind, some items like jewelry, antiques, and other types of valuables have set coverage limits within a base policy. So depending on how much those valuables are worth, you'll want to consider increasing your limits. If that's the case, consider adding on special limits. You can broaden coverage too by itemizing personal property. By itemizing your highly valued possessions, you'll have expanded coverage to protect them in a wider variety of situations. Want to learn more about personal property coverage options? Connect with your American Family agent today.